Hi guys, today we're going to look at a very interesting dashcam from Tiesfong. The model is called M10MAX. It's a 4-channel dashcam. So we have the front camera, which records the video at 2K resolution, 2560 by 1440. We also have the rear camera, which records video at Full HD, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Besides that, we've got the left side view camera. It's also Full HD. It records everything what's going on behind the left side of the vehicle. And we have pretty much the same one, also Full HD, but this right side camera will record everything that happens on the right of the vehicle. All these 4 cameras record pretty much everything around the car, so it's more or less 360 degree dashcam set. Besides that, guys, we can also turn the interior camera, not interior but the side camera, we can turn it inside and it becomes an interior camera. So if you guys drive for Uber or Lyft, this will work great. Besides that, both side cameras come with 4 infrared LEDs. So again, if you guys drive at night, this will help a lot. So for now I will turn it back to the side, to the left. I really like the fact that this set comes with 4 dash cams. As for the video quality, it's not bad. But all 4 cameras record at 25 frames per second, not 30. So if you guys are looking for exceptional video quality, there are other options on the market, but the problem is that they usually cost a lot more. So if you're looking for an affordable 4-channel dashcam set, this is definitely an option to consider. Today we will show you what comes inside the box. We will go over the settings, we will show the features of the dashcam, and in the end of the video we'll show you again how it records the video during the day, and we'll show you how it records the video at night, including with infrared LEDs. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's see what comes inside the box. Set comes with 128GB SD card from Lexar. This is very convenient. This means that you don't need to get one yourself. We've got the manual here, and this is our main unit. As I said before, dashcam comes with 2K front dashcam. Resolution is 2560 by 1440. It records at 25 frames per second. Camera has 140 degree wide view angle. It can be adjusted both horizontally and vertically, both ways, again, which is quite convenient when you install it on the windshield. Below we have 2 side view cameras. They are Full HD, 25 frames per second, 140 degree wide view angle as well, and they both have 4 infrared LEDs. Both cameras can be adjusted. Each can go 180 degrees horizontally and 320 degrees vertically, like this, all the way here. This works for both cameras, same way. And again, guys, this gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of choosing the right recording angle. Above the cameras we have the 3-inch HD IPS screen, which we'll show you shortly. Below we have 5 physical buttons, and on top we have the indicator LED. On top of the dashcam we have the USB
Type-C power port. The power cable will be connected right here. On the right we've got the SD card slot. It supports cards from 64 to 256 gigabytes. SD cards should be class 10 or U3 or above. On the right we've got the 2.5mm port for the rear view camera. Above the front camera we've got the 3M tape mount, which is removable. You can slide it down like this, and this is convenient because you can remove the dashcam once you leave the vehicle. Set also comes with the suction cup mount, which gets installed in place of the tape mount this way. Again, this is useful in case if you plan to move the dashcam from vehicle to vehicle, but if you want to install it permanently, I would use this 3M tape mount. The dashcam uses M-Star88 series chip and Galaxy Core image sensor. It has built-in Wi-Fi, GPS. It comes equipped with supercapacitor instead of the lithium battery. This means that it will have longer lifespan and higher resistance to extreme temperatures. And right now I'll quickly show you what else comes inside the box. Here we have the main power cable, USB Type-C. The length of this cable is 3.5 meters. This is the rear camera right here. The resolution is Full HD. It also records at 25 frames per second. We've got the 3M tape mount on top. Camera can be adjusted like this, all the way here and all the way down. This is a cable. Cable can be detached. This will simplify the installation process. This camera is not waterproof, so it needs to be installed inside the vehicle. Set also comes with so-called free gift. Well, in essence it's just more accessories. Show you what we have here. First of all, this is another Type-C USB cable. This can be used to connect the dashcam to your computer. We've got a small harness for our wiring. We've got two electrostatic stickers which can be installed between the glass, between the windshield and the camera. We have the trim removal tool. You can also use it to push the wire underneath the trim. We've got the couple of extra pieces of 3M tape. This is for the front camera, and we have two more for the rear camera as well. We also have the USB adapter for our SD card. We also have 4 cable holders, and this is the CPL filter. The CPL filter goes on top of the front camera this way, and the goal of the filter is to prevent reflections and glare. And as you guys can see, dashcam comes packed with different accessories. I will insert the SD card and I will connect the power cable to the dashcam. And it basically tells us that SD card needs to be formatted. I will do it shortly. In the meantime, you can see that the main screen is split into 3 different screens. This is the front camera right here, and on the right we've got 2 side view cameras. I will quickly show you guys how to format the SD card. For that we'll have to go to menu, we'll press this button and we'll use the buttons with arrows to format the SD card. You have to look for this option and it will ask all data will be deleted. Yes, sure. So now it will format the SD cards Now I'll go back and we'll get back to the menu later. In the meantime, I'll show you what we have on our screen. Well, it shows us that it's recording right now. Again, resolution is 2K plus Full HD for two other cameras. The sound recording is on. We've got the GPS. We have the speed. Well, we'll have the speed once we start driving. And below it shows us the date. Once we have our rear camera connected, the video will be split into 4 different screens. In the meantime, I'll show you how to switch between them. You'll have to press this right arrow button, press, and it will just cycle through our active cameras right now. Again, here we have 3. If you guys press the power button in the middle, it will turn on and off the screen. If you press and hold the same button, it will turn off the dashcam. I will turn it on again. If you press this left arrow button, it will lock current file. It locks, basically saves 20-second file after you press this button. If you press and hold this button, it will turn on and off the sound recording. So right now it's off. I will press and hold again and it's back on. If you guys press the OK button, it will stop and start video recording. If you press and hold the same button, it will activate the Wi-Fi. Shortly you will see the SSID information and the rest and the password in the left corner. You will need to download the Tscam application from the Play Store to access our dashcam. It will ask us to enter the settings, Wi-Fi settings, so go to your phone settings and look for Wi-Fi networks, and here you should be able to see shortly. You will see the TS Dashcam, etc. This is the same SSID that you will see right here in the corner. So press that and press connect. When you guys do it for the first time, it will ask you for the password, and the password is 123456778. It's in this corner as well in the dashcam. So once you have connected the camera, go back to the application. It says connect DVR, press that, and shortly, yes, we will be able to see what our camera shows. So right now it shows us the front camera. You can again switch between them. Now it's one of the side cameras, the second one. They pretty much show the same thing right now, and we are back to the front camera. In the application we can also go to settings, but here in the settings you can only change the Wi-Fi password, and you can only format the SD card. The rest of the settings you can set up in the dashcam itself, which I'll show you shortly. Why this application is useful is because you can access all the recorded videos right here, and you guys can, well, select any. Well, first of all, of course, you can preview any of them in your smartphone, and besides that you can also select anyone that you like and you can download them to your smartphone, and this will be the main reason to have this application in your phone. And you can again select any file, and you can also delete the file this way. I will disconnect the Wi-Fi now. I will press and hold the OK button. And now I will go to the settings from the dashcam itself. So press the M button, and this is our first page of settings. If you press it again, it will show you the second page. I'll go through the settings one by one. This is our Wi-Fi settings. You can turn them on or off from here. To go back, you have to press the menu button. Next, we've got the infrared LED. Infrared LEDs are off by default. If you record yourself at night, for example, you can set them to after mode. This will allow to see what's going on inside the cabin at night a lot better than when you don't have them on. Loop recording provides us 3 options: 1 minute, 2 minutes and 3 minutes. You can choose either one you like. The G sensor allows to save current file in case if the dashcam senses vibrations, so either a collision or somebody tries to break into your car, and if your dashcam is working at the moment and if it shakes, basically it will protect the file. In general, I recommend to set it to low. This way it won't record too many files. You can change the language. There are lots of different options here. You can change or turn off the volume of the system sounds. This includes the startup sound of the dashcam, so if you set it to 0 it won't work, but by default it is set to 50. Next we have the screensaver. When it is set to off, it means that the screen will always be on. You can choose the screen to turn off after 1 minute and after 3 minutes. And if you guys choose off-screen recording, I'll show you what it does. If, for example, I'll press OK, if you disconnect the dashcam, the power, and connect it again, so now the dashcam actually will start, but the screen won't turn off. You won't hear any sounds, only the LED will start flashing. But it is actually recording right now, so if I press any of the buttons, you can see that it is recording. And this is pretty cool. This basically allows you to have your dashcam in a stealth mode. Next we have clock settings. This basically allows you to change the date and the time. And as I showed you guys before, you can format the SD card from the dashcam itself quite quickly actually. And you can also reset all the system settings back to default. I'll press the menu button again and it will give us more settings. This is the GPS status. This will basically show you the GPS reception. You can adjust the speed that you can see on the screen in case if it is slightly different from the actual car speed. Speed units can be changed from kilometers per hour to miles per hour, for example, or vice versa, or you can also turn them off. You can change the time zone, and you can also enable or disable daylight saving time. If you press and hold the M button, it will take you to the playback. Here again you can see all the recorded videos, similar to how we did it in our application. You can go left and right, press OK to view. So right now it will show you the recorded video. Again, right now we have the film on all of our cameras, that's why you cannot see clearly, but this is how you will do it once it's installed in the vehicle. Press and hold to get back to the main menu. Also, if you guys from here press menu again, it will give you some additional settings. Here you can change the volume of the video playback. You can change the video type that you want to see, normal videos or event videos. we can change the camera ID, so we can choose the videos from each of the cameras. So A will be our front camera, B and C our side cameras, and D our rear view camera. So for example, if I go to B, now it will show us videos from one of the B cameras, one of these two, I mean one of the side cameras. You can also delete either current file, or you can delete them all from here, and you can also protect either selected file, or again all of them, either protect or unprotect, which means save from being overwritten. Okay guys, that's it for our settings. Right now we will install the dashcam in the vehicle, and we will show you how it records the video during the day and at night. I'll show you guys where we have the dashcam in the vehicle. It's currently installed on the right side behind the rear view mirror. This way it's less obstructive, and the side cameras can still see what's going on the sides. Keep this in mind because it's pretty big, because it has pretty much 3 cameras in one piece, and you have to consider that when you plan to purchase this camera, so that you can find a place for it on the windshield.
Again guys, this is how the dashcam records the video during the day. We have 4 dashcams continuously recording the video, allowing us to have a 360-degree view around the vehicle. And this is, by the way, how it records the sound as well. I will turn the dash cam, the side one, at inside to see the cabin again. This is guys how to record the cabin now. And I will put it back to the left. This is how the camera records the video at night. Right now our infrared LEDs are off. As long as you guys get some light inside the cabin, you should be able to see yourself without any problems. But when it's completely dark at night, then infrared LEDs will come in very handy. I will point the dashcam inside the cabin again to give you guys an idea how it records right now. And I will turn it to the left again. Right now infrared LEDs are on. And again, this is how it records the video now. Dashcam has automatic option for infrared LEDs. This means that it will turn on only when there is not enough light, which is cool. And normally I will set it to the automatic mode, but for now I just want to quickly show you how it does with LEDs being on all the time. That's it for our review of the 4-channel dashcam. I hope this video was helpful and will give you guys an idea what it is and how it records the video, and you can decide yourself whether you need one of these or not. But as I said, I like the idea, I like how it records the video. For the price, you actually get quite a good deal. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.